Hello, dear friends. I'm Amber from Woodpecker. Before starting to uncover the next star product, I would like to talk about dental handpiece. The dental handpiece is the most essential and regularly used dental equipment in dentistry for various procedures. The vast area of uses in general dentistry, endodontics, and implantology necessitates a versatile handpiece. A fantastic dental handpiece plays an important role in supporting dentists for various dental applications. The handpiece's spur is powered by either air or electricity. The handpiece powered by air is what we all know as turbine. Because it's substantially less expensive than an electrical handpiece, the air-driven dental handpiece is extensively used. It generates a cutting or rotational action using compressed air energy. The lightweight, low head height of the air-driven handpieces makes them easier to handle. However, air-driven handpieces have several disadvantages, which are often overlooked by the dentist. Firstly, regarding the noise, the distinctive noise and vibrating sensation of the air rotor leads to patient discomfort and increased stress level. Secondly, regarding the treatment energy, sensory, and the clinical environment, air turbine will produce large amount of aerosol cloud or particulates to contaminate the environment, especially when preparing the teeth. Moreover, the uncontrollable source of water and gas in the dental chair without any disinfection is clinically prone to cause incisional infections, and the patient's post-operative experience will not be good. Thirdly, the speed of turbine handpiece is uncontrollable, generally reaching 300,000 to 400,000 RPM, driven by the dental air pressure. You cannot control the torque and the speed very precisely, which can bring some trouble to doctors and easy to cause swelling. Fourthly, reduced torque and interrupted cutting will affect the operation in great extent, leading to low efficiency of operation. Therefore, compared to air-driven handpiece, electrical handpiece is a better operation option to utilizing in the dental clinic because the dentist's major goal is to give a soothing and stress-free clinical environment and treatment to the patient. Based on this direction, Woodpecker is bringing now the new solution, ES5. ES5 is our new electric motor system that combines restorative and surgical functions. It is completely electrically powered, does not require a dental chair. It's in small size and has the more stable and speed and powerful torque that traditional air-driven motor. The biggest highlight of ES5 is bacteria-free. Under its surgical mode, the electric handpiece is connected to external waterway, which can be directly supplied by sterilized and cooled saline. And the irrigation tube can be optional for disposable use or can be sterilized, so the patient's post-operation reaction and pain are reduced greatly. The electric-driven handpiece of ES5 without applying any pressure airflow of the dental chair reduces the probability of complications such as post-operation emphysema. Besides, compared to the turbine handpiece, ES5 can reduce more than 50% aerosols, which brings a more reassuring environment for treatment. Moreover, on ES5, we apply anti-suction back structure so that the blood and bacteria will not get into the head of the handpiece. Thus, avoid the cross-infection and make patient and doctors feel at ease. Secondly, ES5 can provide you with a very stable and smooth operating experience. ES5 provides a constant speed and torque that does not change as the load increases. Due to the constant pace, it also creates a smoother and more precise cut, allowing for greater flexibility in preparations and, of course, more confidence and higher efficiency for dentists. When cutting through dental crowns and using the device on dense materials helps to eliminate delays and speed variations. Lows do not appear to affect the speed and torque of electric dental handpiece, but they do affect the speed and torque of air-driven handpieces. Using the brushless motor with 3.5 NCM torque, ES5 is strong and powerful, and it's also liked by patients since they are quieter and do not give the same vibrating sensation like turbine. This is a major deal people with anxiety. It might help them to stick to their treatment plan. Furthermore, patient happiness leads to better internet reviews and higher patient retention. In one sentence, the ES5 allows for faster cutting and maximum handpieces durability by providing steady speed and high torque with very little noise. Let's check the comparison video. We use the same burr, the same width and the thickness of bull teeth for cutting experiment in Woodpecker lab. ES5 choose 120,000 RPM and turbine handpiece adjusted to 0.3 MPa air pressure for comparison. Finally, ES5 took 9.38 seconds and turbine handpieces took 18.52 seconds. Efficiency of ES5 was 97.4% higher than turbine handpiece. During the operation, we also found that the turbine was easily interrupted and when resistance occurs, which required more experience for doctors, while on ES5, cutting is smoother and easier in one go. Based on such distinctive advantages it brings, making a decision from switching from air turbine to electric handpieces is now more easier with ES5. ES5 is not only caring for patients, but also take after the needs of our dentists. With a simple vertical body of 220 mm long, 155 mm wide, and 227 mm high, no need to connect to the dental chair. It's independent, compact, and portable. So, it can be convenient to move between different application scenarios. Pediatric dental treatment. You can see the surgical operating room, hands-on workshop, and mobile clinics. Equipped with a 5-inch LCD color touchscreen with simple design, 8 electric handpieces speed ratio, 6 per set programs, ES5 is covering all ranges of ratios and very easy to display. Besides, with an IPX6 waterproof multifunctional foot pedal, 1:3 ratio handpieces included in standard configuration, dentists can simply buy and use it directly. The development of dental extraction tools has gone through the hammer and scissor era of version 1.0 and the introduction of turbine handpiece in version 2.0. With the growing awareness of patient health care, we believe that ES5 will gradually replace the air-driven handpiece and usher in the new era of dentistry 3.0, which is more sterile, precise, and comfortable. Let's take a look back at the latest dental technology, ES5.